3 by 3. First I'm gonna do the yellow, the white cross. Okay, and then that goes here. Okay, so when they're not opposite, so I just do this little pattern here. And I have it good. I have to do this. And I'm going to get the corners right. Here. And then the final corner piece, that last pattern. And I already got lucky with one. I'm just going to do these patterns to do it. Way, that. And then up, and then blah, blah, blah. And then needs to be that. That's what blah. And when it's up with I have to do it twice. Yeah, this is just a single step, which is pretty easy. And now we have the middle row solved. Okay, now I have the yellow hook, so I do this pattern. And now bar, so I do that pattern. Okay, now I have the yellow cross, and I'm on the next step. Okay, now the fish, which I call it. And then I have the red side solved. It's okay if you haven't had the top middle piece and not good. That's okay. So now I'm doing this pattern to get it at the final step. Front, and then I almost have it solved, and I'm done.
Ooh.